Good afternoon, thank you for joining us. Welcome to ICUTV Lunchtime News. Let's take a look at the stories making headlines. Food and Agriculture Organization visits LUSAKA City Council. KABWATA CDF roadworks gain momentum. AMREF-LED projects boosts community malaria prevention. And in international news, ZELENSKY ready for honest work with US to end Ukraine war. In sports news, Liverpool's title defense falters as Reds slip to 8th after poor run of form. With the news details, I am Chipepo Gracie. The Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations has visited the LUSAKA City Council to learn how the city is working to improve its food systems and involve more young people. Food and Agriculture Organization officials met with the Director of Housing and Social Services, Makoshi Sililo, who gave an update on the progress of the Council's new food desk. Mr. Sililo said the Council is committed to reducing food wastage in markets and finding better ways to manage food across the city. He explained that the food desk will help the Council track how food is handled, promoted, and in addition to that, make sure less food goes to waste. He also highlighted the important role young people are playing through the Junior Councils program, which allows them to take part in real decision-making at the Council. Mr. Sililo reaffirmed that the Council is exploring practical solutions like installing refrigerators in markets to keep food fresh and create new opportunities for young people who work in these trading spaces. The director further noted that with support from the Bloomberg, the Council is promoting smart agriculture and urban farming to equip young people with modern farming skills. The food desk is currently running as a one-year pilot project, and the results will guide how the Council strengthens food management in LUSAKA going forward. Road improvement works under the 2025 Constituency Development Fund in KABWATA are gaining strong momentum, bringing renewed hope to residents who have waited years for better infrastructure. Paving works across the constituency have become a clear sign of progress, with communities expressing satisfaction at the steady transformation. The upgraded internal roads are already reshaping movement within KABWATA. Computers, school children, and local business owners say that improved road network is making daily travel faster, safer, and more reliable. Many residents note that shorter travel times to school, clinics, and workplaces are easing their daily routines and boosting the economic activities. Local authorities and KABWATA CDF committee say they are encouraged by the positive feedback from the community. They believe that the ongoing works will not only improve mobility, but also support KABWATA's broader development goals by deepening up more opportunities for growth. Officials remain confident that the continued upgrades will deliver long-term benefits, strengthening services delivery and ensuring residents enjoy more efficient, connected, and accessible constituencies. AMREF Health Africa in Zambia, working with the Ministry of Health and supported by funding from GSK, is strengthening efforts to eliminate malaria through a primary health care project focused on community case management and behavior change. The initiative, which aligns with the National Malaria Elimination Agenda, is empowering communities with prevention tools, promoting safe interventions such as indoor residual spraying, and also encouraging early treatment to reduce the burden of the disease.
Good morning, I'm Dr. Julian Musakalu, the medical officer in charge at Mbika District Hospital. I'm acting the I'm acting as Director Health Service at Pika District Hospital in our beautiful Pika District. We are so privileged and humbled to have received our partners, the AMREF, who's been very helpful, and they've contributed so positively in our fight against malaria. So, as you all may be aware, Pika District and Muchinga at large is so endemic to malaria, and in most cases in our remote places, these are our patients, our children, our mothers that are prone to the complicated form of malaria, because we reach very far places, and in the past it's been so difficult a bit to reach very far places because of the weather, transport, and challenges. So the coming in of AMREF has helped in helping us reach very remote places. So this CBV,
the government of Zambia and Tanzania have renewed their commitment to revitalize the Tazara Railway, a key project valued at $1.4 billion and central to Zambia's economic development agenda. The planned modernization is expected to enhance regional trade, improve the movement of goods, and create new economic opportunities across both countries.
1, 2, 3, round of applause.
The Tazara project is a significant component of Zambia's economic agenda, aiming to boost regional trade, increase mining, revenue, and create jobs. And so, the 1.4 billion revitalization project will modernize the railway and improve efficiency and support regional trade. Economic benefits: the revitalized Tazara will enhance trade, create jobs, stimulate economic growth in both countries. Long-standing relationship, and we are talking about Zambia and Tanzania, who have a strong history of cooperation dating back to the construction of the Tazara in the 70s. Now, this visit is also a testament to the country's shared vision for regional integration and economic growth, with President Hakainde Hichilema emphasizing the project's potential to unlock opportunities in mining, agriculture, and energy.
It's our duty to clean, to deepen this partnership. And Tazara was important then. As it was important then, it is important today. If not more important today than ever before. And for us, China and Zambia, 2023 is extremely important to our partnership.
The Tazara Railway is a signature project of China-Africa cooperation, and China is ready to work with Zambia and Tanzania to let this railway, carrying hope, brim with new vigor.
We now take a break. Coming up in international and sports news, Zelensky ready for honest work with US to end Ukraine war. Liverpool's title defense falters as Reds slip to 8th after poor run of Forum.
Welcome to the Zambia Research and Development Center, an institution dedicated to national development through capacity building and community development. Established in 2007 by a group of professionals and lecturers, ZRDC has since become a hub of research and innovation in the country. Registered with the Ministry of Home Affairs under the Registrar of Societies, ZRDC pursues cutting-edge research to address pressing social and economic challenges. Get involved. ZRDC engages in activities that stimulate international collaboration, promote knowledge sharing, and make research expertise available to decision makers. Our mission at ZRDC is to foster innovation and capacity building for national development. We believe in addressing poverty and underdevelopment through institutional and capacity building, human empowerment, and gender participation. In our quest to foster innovation and capacity building for national development, ZRDC launched the ZRDC University Sponsorship for Capacity Building and Development Program to facilitate knowledge advancement among ZRDC researchers and those intending to join the research community. Qualified Zambian citizens can pursue education at credible universities in Zambia with guaranteed prospects of joining the ZRDC research community. ZRDC engages in industrial and technological research, covering research development and innovative investigations to drive dynamic industrial development at national and regional levels. Join us at the Zambia Research and Development Center as we continue to innovate, empower, and shape a brighter future for Zambia. ZRDC.
Thank you for staying with us. In international news, Ukraine President Vladimir Zelensky says he is ready for honest work with the United States after receiving a draft peace plan to end the war with Russia. Several U.S. media outlets report that under the plan, Kyiv would give up areas of the Donbas in eastern Ukraine that it still controls, cut the size of its army, and pledged not to join NATO. It was unclear how involved Ukraine has been in drafting the plan, but White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt said that the U.S. had engaged equally with both sides. In a separate statement, Zelensky's office said that Ukraine had agreed to work on the plan's provisions in a way that would bring about just an end to the war. We take another short break. Stay tuned for sports news.
The Information and Communications University is driving the thrill for the nation in research and development. Enroll now for full-time and distance programs in the School of Engineering, Humanities, Business and Education. To apply, visit our website at www.icuzambia.net or call us on +260 211 221 662 or 0966 342 359. Sponsorship is available. Enroll now.
Welcome back. In sports news, reigning Premier League champions Liverpool have stumbled in their title's defense, dropping to 8th place after 11 games despite a strong start to the season. The Reds have endured a difficult spell, collecting just 3 points from their last 6 league matches. The sudden decline has raised concerns among supporters and analysts alike, especially considering the club's heavy investment ahead of the campaign. Liverpool spent more than €400 million in the summer transfer window, bringing in several high-profile players expected to strengthen the squad and maintain their dominance. However, the anticipated impact has yet to translate into positive on the pitch. With pressure mounting and the season advancing, Liverpool will have to quickly rediscover their winning form if they are to re-enter the title conversation and justify the substantial financial outlay. The coming fixtures are expected to be crucial in determining whether the champions can revive their campaigns or continue their slide down to the table. That sports item brings us to the end of our lunchtime news. But before we go, let's take a quick look at the stories that made headlines. FAO visits LUSAKA City Council. KABWATA CDF roadworks gain momentum. AMREF-LED projects boosts community malaria prevention. In international news, Zelensky ready for honest work with US to end Ukraine war. And in sports news, Liverpool title defense falters as Reds slip to 8th after poor run of form. Thank you so much for watching. For more news updates, do watch our main news updates at 20 hours. Have a good afternoon.